Okay, I'm back. I don't know if you guys said you're all having hearing issues. Hopefully you can hear this one. I'll just kind of quickly run through what I made, and sorry about technology today. I guess I'm not really supposed to be online. I'm supposed to be outside. So there we go. So, anyways, happy Sunday, happy day. I hope you guys have a great time out day. So yeah. So first off, just to let you know, we made this is the crispy, crunchy lettuce wrap seasoning that I simply just put on some chicken thighs that I chopped up with a little bit of soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame seed oil, and then that's great for putting on some salads this week or making a wrap or anything like that. So that's that one. Um, I also boiled about half a dozen. Yes, you can hear me now. Yay! Thank you, Andrew. Thank you so much. I will just ignore the other one. So I just boiled eggs. I will throw them into some cold water. Those are again for my lunches and that for the week. Simple because I like having salads and a bit of egg or something or kind of protein. But for me, egg, I flop back and forth. Right now, I'm in an egg mood, so that's what we're going to have. Then I actually made our hot dipping chicken sauce. Made it a little different than what it says on the website. I will show you guys what that is in the comments later. But so it's basically like the nourish broth, a little bit of the barbecue sauce, the half or so of the rotisserie chicken seasoning in there, and the rest of that I put actually on the chicken to little marinate a little bit. A bit of Worcester sauce, water, of course, to make the nourish broth, and in the end to thicken it up, I just use our gravy. But you can just use cornstarch you want. And then once it kind of set up, I'm throw the chicken in, and I'm just going to let it cook in there, kind of like pulled chicken, but with a slightly different flavor profile. So that's going to finish going. And then for tonight, um, good, thank you, Shirley. We're gonna have steak tonight. So I've just put some salt and pepper on the steak to let that sit. But we're gonna have it with some teppanyaki sauce and Feisty sauce. So this one obviously is not available right now, the teppanyaki, but the Feisty is. So you can do either or on your steak to kind of have some fun, and then make some potatoes or something with it, or any kind of veggie, zucchini, asparagus, and have some fun with that. So I got some sauces going. Protein's done. Veggies were already done before. I'll make a quick salad, the ones I like, cucumber, tomato, and avocado for later. Um, so that's what I made, right? So there we go. So two types of chicken, a steak for tonight, and a couple of sauces to have with that. And also good for dipping your veggies into both of those sauces so I could have them throughout the week if I was looking for a quick snack or even put into the salad. You never know. So the chickens is for making wraps or salads or anything like that, whatever you like throughout my lunches. Same thing with the eggs if I want it quicker, something like that. And there we go. Super simple, and lots of fun. So, have any questions about any of this? Feel free to message me. I can give you recipes or anything you might be looking for. If you're looking to actually start meal prepping and you want to know where to start, you can come chat with me. I can help you out with that as well. Obviously, I'm a lover of Epicure, so that's what I do here. So if there's anything you're seeing you would like, that's great. If you want to host your own party or cooking class or just have a referral link or whatever, you can. June is an awesome month for this because it's double the host benefits. So instead of getting 10%, you would get like 20, and if you hit over $500 in sale, you get 30% back. So it's quite a yummy amount of goodies, and you still have 60 days to use it. So you could totally have that later on at the end of the season, just before you stock up before the fall comes, kind of idea. So it's a good month to do all that. And of course, you can always do what I'm doing. So if anyone you're interested or you know somebody this would be awesome for, where they just like to talk about food all day, which would be what I do, you can talk about that with them and come introduce them to me. I do have lots of things that happen in this group. So there's the monthly photo contest. I do have referral benefits for people if you bring someone in the group or if you bring someone as a host or anyone, you can talk to me about all that. Lots of specials happening this month. So where'd it go? I don't know what happened to my, oh, there it is. Like the customer special is the sesame seed crunch. So it's a great one. So if you're interested, it's exclusive, but you can just buy it individually. A lot of stuff have come back. So our tacos are there. Our lime cheesecake is here. So it's all, and all of our burger stuff is there. So you can grab any of that. There is our June 30-day collection where you actually get 4 of the meal solution packages like this for free in the package, which is pretty awesome. It's a great barbecuing one. And there's something else. Oh, I don't know, whatever it was. But anyway, I'm here if you want to just chat, talk about anything, whatever. But I thought I would do my show and tell before I'm done with my class here. I purchased off of Donna, who you guys all know, our pampered chef lady here, the scoop that was for the breast cancer scoop and serve spatula. It looks pretty cool. Can't wait to try that out. But I won the little raffle for it, and it's these cute little corn holders. Like, they're adorable. So they come in this cute container, and they screw in, which are pretty cool. So yeah, I was lucky and won something from Donna. So thank you, Donna. And there we go. So have a great Sunday. Have a great week. I hope us here in Ontario, you guys are out there doing stuff, but still staying safe. Looking forward to our accelerated shots, getting them a little earlier. So then, maybe in the fall, we might be able to do some of these in person. You never know. So, like, fingers crossed. Otherwise, thank you everybody for joining. Charlene, Laura, and Jim. I know Kathy and Marissa, Emily, you are all here. Thank you. And have a great day. Thank you. Bye, everyone.